Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. Alright, we'll need some mayonnaise. Use any brand that you like. I'm a big fan of Duke's. Some dill salad cubes or just cubed up dill pickles. I like the salad cubes because it has some onions and other flavors in there like red peppers. Some celery and some green onions, and oh yeah, a rotisserie chicken. I'd recommend getting a cold one if you possibly can from your deli counter, but if you get a warm one, just let it cool off for a little bit before you make your salad. You want to go ahead and start by peeling all the skin and fatty parts off the outside of your chicken, and then just shred that meat up as finely or as chunkily as you see fit. I like to get the white meat and some of the dark meat as well, but again, this is all about your personal preference. We'll then grab our celery, slice it up into nice little batons, and then go back through it into a nice fine dice. And we'll also slice up 2 or 3 of our green onions. We want the whites and the light green parts. You can leave the dark green parts out. Get all that in a bowl and add in about a 1/3 cup of your dill pickle relish salad cubes, about a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I should mention I got about 2 cups of chicken out of that particular bird, but all the proportions and exact amounts will be down below in the description as always. Season it up with salt and pepper, and then from the pantry I'm going to go in with a 1 heaped tablespoon of Dijon mustard for extra depth of flavor and tang. Just give all of that a good thorough mix to combine, and then chill it out in the fridge. It'll be good for 3 to 4 days. Probably even tastes better the second day after you've made it. So obviously you can consume this a number of different ways. A nice chicken salad sandwich is always great. Put it up on a big bowl of greens and have a nice healthy protein-packed salad. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to grab some crudité and give it a little taste test. Ultra creamy from that mayonnaise, but a lot of flavor from the pickle relish and that tangy mustard. Really a great high protein snack on some veggie sticks just like this if you don't want to go to the trouble of making a sandwich or salad or other eating implement. I hope you'll give this a try and let me know what you think. As always, I thank you for watching. Drop a like and comment down below. And if nothing else, get out of here and go make something delicious.